Hey folks, I just want to talk about this little memory card reader right here. This one right here has been pretty phenomenal. I've just tested this out with various cards. I did an XQC card. I did a Extreme Pro from SanDisk, and I transferred the same amount of files, 74 gig worth of data. I don't know why I did that big of a file size, but yeah. But anyway, it's been pretty phenomenal. It's actually performed a little bit better than my Anchor card reader. Yeah, so this thing right here. Well, obviously with the XQD cards, you know, those faster speed cards, it actually works really well. So my stats is that with the XQD cards, those right there, transfer 74 gigs transfer about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, yeah, in between, somewhere between there. So it was pretty fast. With my SanDisk, transferring 74 gigs worth of data from the card reader into my MacBook Pro using USB-C, straight USB-C, it's about 13 minutes. That's how long it took. And Extreme Pro from SanDisk is actually one of the faster cards. So yeah, just an FYI, that's how fast they are. And 74 gigs worth. And yeah, this one right here, literally it has all the ports that you would need right here. So there's a CF Express card right there. I'm still trying to get a CF Express. Oh wait, that's not a CF Express. That's XQD right there. CF Express is actually back here. I'm actually trying to get a CF Express card to test that out now because obviously it's a lot faster. But yeah, but then I've also tested all the other card right here, you know, with the micro SD, the regular SD, that kind of stuff. And so far so good. It's really performing. It's actually outperforming my Anchor card reader, like I said earlier. So yeah, pretty good stuff so far. The one thing I should mention is that if you just use a USB-C right there, you don't need to plug in the power at all, which is another USB-C. Yeah, you don't need to do that at all. I'm not even sure why you would need to plug in the power. I guess if a computer doesn't have power run through it. I don't know. But yeah, all I used was just one small wire that actually came in the box with it, and it powers it up and it transfers and everything. No need to worry about an extra wire. So yeah, those are a little information that I want to throw out there to you in case you want to get one of these. Pretty useful. Have a good one. Bye-bye.